Good morning, students. Welcome to class 6, subject mathematics, chapter 8, decimals, lecture number 4. Let us recapitulate all the matter that we have learned in lecture number 3. Uses of decimal numbers. In this, we shall learn the uses of decimal numbers in real life problems concerning money, length and weight. We use decimal numbers in real life situation when we have to give money to someone, when we have to find out the total amount, when we are going to measure something, length or weight. Okay, in all these circumstances we need to use decimal. Now see, first of all, money. We know that 100 paise equal to rupee 1. That we all know, that 100 paise equal to rupee 1. So, 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees, which is equal to rupees 0.01. As 100 paise equal to rupee 1, so 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Okay, and as in the denominator 2 zeros are here, so in the numerator also we want 2 digits. Start counting from your right hand side, 1, 2, and before that you will place one decimal. So it is 0.01. In simple words, when we have to convert paise into rupees, we will divide it by 100. Okay, whenever we have to convert paise into rupees, what we will do? We will divide it by 100. Next is length or distance. We know that 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. See students, in all these, okay, you have to find out the relation between the two units. The one which is given to you and the one in which you are going to convert. So here we are going to convert millimeter into centimeter. So when we have to convert millimeter into centimeter, we know that 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So whenever we have to convert millimeter into centimeter, we will divide it by 10. And then we will place decimal accordingly. Now 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Now we are converting centimeter into meter. So 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter, which is equal to 0.01 meter. Because in denominator, now here are 2 zeros. So we will write down decimal, we will place decimal before 2 digits. Third case is meter and kilometer. When we have to convert meter into kilometer, we know that 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Now 3 zeros are here in the denominator. So you will place decimal before 3 digits and unit will be now kilometer. Now next is weight. In this also we know that 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, so 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Write down decimal. It is 0.001 kilogram. For example, see example 1. Express 26 kilogram 50 gram into kilogram. Now see, in this example 26 kilogram is already in kilogram. So we will not convert it. We will let it remain as it is. 26 kilogram will remain as it is. Okay. And what we will do? We will now change this 50 gram. This 50 gram into kilogram. How? 26 kilogram as it is plus when we have to convert gram into kilogram, what we will do? We will divide it by 1000. So it is 50 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay. 26 kilogram remain 26 kilogram. 50 upon 1000 means now here are 3 zeros. So decimal will come before 3 places. Starting from your right hand side. 1, 2, 3. So decimal will come here. It is 0.050 kilogram. Now add these both. 26 kilogram plus 0.050 kilogram, which is equal to 26.050 kilogram. After that we have done how to add or subtract decimal numbers. Okay. To add or subtract decimal numbers, we proceed as under. How we proceed? See now. Write the given decimal numbers one below the other. एक के नीचे एक. In such a way that decimal point of one number lies exactly below the decimal point of the other number. Okay. And then add or subtract the numbers in the usual way. What you have to do? You have to write down one number below the another number. Okay. In such a way that decimal point of one number lies exactly below the decimal point of the other number. This is very important. That decimal point lie below the decimal point of the other number. And then you have to add or subtract in the usual manner. Now today's topic. Today we will do statement sums of addition and subtraction with decimals. As this is a chapter of decimal, so we will do now statement sums in decimals. Now these are some questions of your book exercise. Exercise 8.5, question number 4. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. Okay. Some length of cloth she bought for the shirt. Some length of cloth she bought for trouser. And now you have to find out what is the total length of cloth she bought. Total we need to find out. Definitely we will add. Now see its solution. Length of cloth bought for shirt. How much? It is 3 meter 20 centimeter. See beta, this is the chapter of decimal. So we have to convert it into decimal. Okay. It is 3.20 centimeter. Here is one mistake beta. Let me tell you, just wait. Yes. Here meter will come. Okay, when we convert into decimal form, so bigger unit will come. It is 3 meter 20 centimeter. So it is now 3 decimal 20 meter. Now length of cloth bought for trouser. It is 2 meter 5 centimeter, which is equal to 2 decimal 05 meter. Okay. Do you know how we converted 5 centimeter into meter? By dividing it by 10. Sorry, 100, because 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Isn't it? This we have done earlier, that how to convert centimeter into meter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So 5 centimeter equal to 5 upon 100 meter. So decimal will come before 2 digits. So it is decimal 05. Total length of cloth bought how much? 3 decimal 20 meter, 2 decimal 05 meter. So it is equal to 5 decimal 25 meter. Beta, everywhere here meter will come. Centimeter will not come. Okay. Bigger unit will come. See the calculation in the rough. 3 decimal 20 meter plus 2 decimal 05, here also meter, and 5 decimal 25 meter. Understood? Decimal, below decimal you have to write down. Now after decimal here is 0. So here also you have written after decimal 0. Then after 0 there is towards the right 5. So here also we have written 5. Then you will add it. Next question. This is question number 5. Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning and 1 km 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Okay, morning and evening. He walked 2 times. So you have to tell now total distance walked by him. Definitely we will add in this also. Now see the solution. Distance walked in the morning, it is 2 km 35 meter, which is equal to 2 decimal 035 kilometer. Have you understood how I have converted this 35 meter into kilometer? Because 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So what I have done? I have done 35 divided by 1000. Okay. So when we divide 35 by 1000, here are 3 zeros. So definitely decimal will come before 3 digits. So 1 is 5, second is 3, and one more digit we want here. For that we have written here 0. Then decimal. And when we have 2 kilometer to it, it will become 2 decimal 035 kilometer. If you are not able to do it directly, you can convert it first of all in rough and then you can write down the answer. Distance walked in the evening. How much distance he walked in the evening? 1 kilometer 7 meter, which is equal to 1 decimal 007 kilometer. Now see how we have done this. 7 meter into kilometer. How we have done? 7 divided by 1000. Again here are 3 zeros. But in the numerator we have only one digit, that is 7. So before 7, here also you will write down 1 0. Here also you will write down 1 0. Now 3 digits are here. So we will place decimal here. It is decimal 007. Now total distance he walked 2 decimal 035 plus 1 decimal 007 kilometer, which is equal to 3 decimal 042 kilometer. See the addition in rough. Clear? Let's move now. Now how to subtract? To subtract one decimal number from another, proceed as under. Same steps you have to follow, only now we have to subtract. In place of addition, what we will do? We will do subtraction. Write the second decimal number, that means number that we have to subtract, below the other in such a way that decimal point of second number lies exactly below the decimal point of the first number, and then subtract in the usual way. Same is there. You have to write down one below the other number in such a way that decimal number lies exactly below the decimal point. Okay, and then subtract. Now what you have to remember? That any number of extra zeros can be written at the end of the decimal number, not before. Okay, this I will tell you when we will do the questions. Now see exercise 8.6. Question number 1. It is subtract rupees 18.25 from 20.75. Okay, this you know that in case of subtraction, a number written after from we have to write down first. So now we will write down first of all 20.75. Rupees 20.75 minus, we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? Rupees 18.25. When we will subtract, we get 2.50 as our answer. This is simple question. Now see, second question is, means question number first, B part is this. Subtract 202.54 meter from 250 meter. Now see in this, what number is there? Number written after from, that we have to write down first. So what we will write down first? We will write down first 250 meter. This we have to write down first. But decimal point is not there. Okay. So see, what we have done, in place of decimal we have written decimal 00, because here are two decimal number. Okay, so here we have written 250 decimal 00. This I want to tell that if extra zeros you have to write down, you will write down at the end. Minus 202.54. Now you can subtract easily. You will get the answer 47.46 meter. Note, in subtraction, a number written after from should be written first. This you all know. Now see question number 3. Find the value of 9.756 minus 6.28. Now no from is there. Simple question is there that 9.756 minus 6.28. So we have to write down first number first and second number in second place. 9.756 minus 6.28. Now see, it is given here only 6.28. Here I have written 6.28, but this place was vacant. So here I have written this 0. Here 0 will come. When we subtract, your answer is 3.476. Now this is the statement sum. C1 statement sum. This is question number 7 of your exercise 8.6. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this, 3 kilogram 500 gram is onion, 2 kilogram 75 gram is tomatoes, and rest are potatoes. What is the weight of potatoes? Total vegetables he bought 10 kilogram. Weight of onion 3 kilogram 500 gram. Weight of tomatoes 2 kilogram 75 gram. And rest are potatoes. Okay. Now you have to tell how much weight of potatoes he purchased. He bought. See the solution of this. Total weight of vegetables bought 10 kilogram, because in kilogram 1000 gram is there, and 1000 we have 3 zeros. Okay, so we have written 10.000 kilogram. What is the weight of onion? 3 kilogram 500 gram. Convert it into kilogram. 3.500 kilogram. Weight of tomatoes 2 kilogram 75 gram. Now here are only 2 digits. Okay, and we want 3 digits, as in gram 1000 grams are there in 1 kilogram. So 10 we will write down. It is 2.075 kilogram. So what are the weight of potatoes? It is the total weight of vegetables bought minus weight of onion plus weight of tomatoes. Total weight में से onion का और tomatoes का weight subtract कर देंगे. Now see, total weight is 10 kilogram. Weight of onion 3 kilogram 500 gram. Weight of tomatoes 2.075, that we will subtract. So first of all we will add these two. Okay, this. Because we know that according to BODMAS we have to solve the bracket first. So it is 10.000 minus 5.575 kilogram. When you will subtract, your answer is 4.425 kilogram. Okay, now see the rough work, how I have done the subtraction. This is the total weight. This is the weight of onion plus tomatoes. And this is the weight of potatoes. Clear? Now see your homework. Your homework is to do exercise 8.5, question number 3, 6 and 7. Exercise 8.6, question number 1, C and D part. Question number 2, again C and D part. And question number 3, 4, 5 in fair notebook. All these questions are very simple. Only simple addition or subtraction is there. Okay. Just be careful about the decimal. Now let's move to the homework solution of lecture 3. In lecture 3, I have given you homework of exercise 8.4, question 1 to 5. Okay. I have done here only two parts of every question because all the parts are same. Question number 1 is express as rupees using decimals. First part is 5 paise. We know that 100 paise equal to rupee 1. Okay. So 5 paise equal to 5 upon 100, which is equal to 0.05 rupees. Its D part is 50 rupees and 90 paise. Rupees 50 we will write down as it is, plus 90 paise, how we will write down? 90 upon 100, as we have converted into rupees now. Rupees 50 plus rupees 0.90. When we add, our answer is rupees 50.90. Question number 2. Express as meter using decimal. First part is 15 centimeter. You have to convert it into meter. Now, what is the relation between meter and centimeter? In 1 meter, how many centimeter are there? Yes, in 1 meter, 100 centimeter are there. So, 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So, 15 centimeter equal to 15 upon 100 meter, which is equal to 0.15 meter. Now, see its D part is 9 meter 7 centimeter. 9 meter plus 7 upon 100 meter. 9 meter plus 0.07 meter, which is equal to 9.07 meter. All the parts are same. Even every question is same. Only there is a need to find out the relation between the two units which is given and in which you have to convert. That's all. Third question is express as centimeter using decimal. Now, relation between millimeter and centimeter is that 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So, 5 millimeter equal to 5 upon 10 centimeter, which is equal to 0.5 centimeter. This is the D part of question number 3. 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter. 9 centimeter plus 8 upon 100 centimeter, 8 upon 10 centimeter. 9 centimeter plus 0.8 centimeter, which is equal to 9.8 centimeter. Fourth is express as kilometer using decimal. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Okay. So, 8 meter equal to 8 upon 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.008 kilometer, because in the denominator here are 3 zeros. So, we have to place decimal before 3 digits. D part 70 kilometer 5 meter. 70 kilometer plus 5 upon 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 70.005 kilometer. In the same way, you can do question number 5 also. Check these answers from here and rest you can do yourself. In kilogram and gram also, 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. Done? After that, I have given exercise 8.5, question number 1. These are simple addition sums. So, I have done 2 parts of it. 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. In this, you need to see how to write down the number. First number we will write down as it is 0.007, whatever is given. Now, second, how we will write down? First of all, we will write down 8, then decimal, then 5. Because see, after decimal, here is 5. Okay, so after decimal, here also we will write down 5. Zeros, these zeros we will write down at the end. These two zeros we will write down at the end. आप इसको 8.005 नहीं लिखेंगे, that is wrong. इसको complete करने के लिए you will first of all write down 8.5 and if the places are left then you will after that write down 00. Third is 30.08. Now see here also 30.08. So from decimal towards left, what is there? 0. So from decimal towards left, I have written 0. Now left to 0 it is 3. So I have written 3. Now here no digits are there. Now here also you can write down 0. It's your wish. You can write down also or you can do addition this way also. When you add, you will get 38.587. It's B part. 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. Now how we will write down 15? We can write down 15.000 because its value remain unchanged. 0.632. Okay, that's why we have written here 3 zeros now, because in second number 3 decimal places are given. Plus 13.8. So 13.8 and rest 2 zeros we have write down from our side. And here also we can write down one more 0 to make them in sequence. Now you can add. It is 29.432. Understood? Thank you.